I loved art from the time I was 5 years old. I've never found anybody I couldn't teach to paint. They can't really look at something and say, I'm going to paint that flower. They paint right out of here, just out of their imagination. I like sharing the joy I get out of painting. Whether you're going to make something up or whether you're going to use something, you have the gift, imagination. Don't look at this person's or that person's. Look at your own this week, look at it next week, and see if your own painting is improving, then you're in better shape. Art, it takes you right out of this world.